guys, on this video we're going to prepare sausages using an air fryer. As you can see, we have sausages and a little of oil and air fryer. I'm going to transfer the sausages into an air fryer. And I'm going to arrange them so that each sausage will have at least a base at the air fryer. Then that way, and then I'm going to add a little oil in it, just a little, and that way. So make sure each sausage has a little oil on it. You can do that by mixing the sausages with the oil inside the bowl. Return it back into the air fryer, turn the air fryer on, and then we are going to do 15 minutes 185 degrees Celsius, whereby here we can use even the nuts, it will be okay. 15 minutes there at a temperature of 185 degrees Celsius. It will start cooking. We'll do the first 7 minutes, then we'll have to check back after the first 7 minutes are over to see if it is half cooked and how it's going. Yeah, that way the first 7 minutes are over. We're going to remove. As you can see, they are half cooked, so we'll just have to turn them for the other side to cook too. And this way you can see the upper part is already cooked, so maybe we check for the other sides too for it to cook evenly. Yeah, that way. As you can see, the oil are not much. The oil that we added are still there. We turn it back for the next 7 or 5 minutes remaining for it to cook completely. And that's way it's already cooked, all cooked. As you can see, they're already peeled, they're brown, yummy, they're ready to take in. Okay guys, that's how you use an air fryer to cook sausages. As you can see, they are ready. It only takes 15 minutes, saves on oil, 90% saves oil. You don't use much oil. Thank you for watching and welcome again. Subscribe, like, share for more videos. I really appreciate it. Thank you.